Hey, Process Pros. So today I'm going to walk through how you can use Nova to get Nova to create entities and attributes and associate those entities and attributes to documentation within Puzzle using outputs from Zapier's Copilot. So I have this very simple Zap here, which has 3 steps. A Refer Pro platform triggers an automation that then sends this lead into a platform called Workies and then into Google Sheets. But I want these entities and attributes added within my documentation here. Now, before Nova, you would have had to go into each one of these systems or take this output, go to each tool, add the entities and attributes, come back to the tool, and then associate those attributes to the steps. But you can see here, I already went ahead and asked Nova to build and associate entities and attributes in Refer Pro and add them to this trigger step. I'm going to do the same thing with the step number 2 that happens in Workies, which is the middle step, and Google Sheets. So let me go ahead and just take this. I'm just going to take the ones that are mapped. I'm going to say, okay, great. Thank you. Now I want you to go to the next step next to it, which is send Refer Pro data into Workies. And I'm going to give you the Workies fields that are associated. I want you to go associate those with this step. Now, the interesting thing about, well, I already built out some of Workies data model within this particular instance. So Nova will go ahead and use the existing fields that are already a part of the data model. So you can see it's going to go ahead and look for the appropriate step that we're working for. Excellent. I need to add first name, last name, and lead source as distinct attributes. And then it went ahead and linked all 5 to here, and it gave me a synopsis of what it did. So if I come over here, it should be good. All right, we got all 5 leads. I could do the same thing right here, right? We have this Google Sheet. I'm gonna go ahead and add this. I'm just gonna say, okay, same step. We also need to add a Google Sheet entity, fields, and add those to the app as well. And actually, go ahead and do that first. All right, so Nova's going to go find the tool. It's going to create the entity, associate the attributes, and I'll pause until it's done. And there you have it. It went ahead and created a new entity called Refer Pro Leads, and it listed all of the fields that are posted into that Google Sheet. That took about 30 seconds. So a lot of efficiencies with Nova, and I just want to give more videos showing all of the use cases that you can use it for. All right, cheers.